Hey guys, Xiaomi are all set to launch Redmi K17 series on November 29 in China. Redmi launched three devices: Redmi K17e, Redmi K70 and Redmi K70 Pro. And this is the Redmi K17 and K17 Pro hands-on live image. Redmi K17 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and Redmi K70 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and Redmi K17e is the first smartphone come with Dimensity 8300 Ultra SoC. Redmi K70 and Redmi K17 Pro come with 6.7-inch 2K resolution 120Hz OLED panel. And the great highlighted, the Redmi K17 Pro come with 4000 nits peak brightness and the regular Redmi K17e come with 1.5K resolution OLED 120Hz screen. Of course, all three devices out of the box running Android 14 with HyperOS. And all three Redmi K17 series come with triple camera setup in the back. Redmi K17e come with 64 megapixel main sensor who is OB64B and Redmi K17 come with 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX80 and Redmi K17 Pro also come with 50 megapixel main sensor who is OB50S and three devices also come with single 13 megapixel selfie camera and three devices price are leaked. Redmi K17e starting price is 1800 RMB, Redmi K17 starting price is 2500 RMB and Redmi K17 Pro starting price is 3300 RMB. So that's all about Redmi K17 series. All the details and information. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.